everybody? This is my 2022 Archery South Africa Packlist. I'm going over there for 5 months this summer, so it's going to be kind of an adventure. I got a lot of gear here. I've kind of broken it up into clothes, fishing gear, hopefully get a couple of casts in while I'm there, and then we've got your hunting gear. I'm going to do a little personal hunting for myself, so we'll go into my bow build for 2022. I'm going to hunt giraffe and eland with the bow, so it's a freaking hammer, 78 pounds. But let's wrap right into this and show you what you need for a South Africa safari. So, to get us started here, this is the clothes and travel gear that I like to take on safaris. So, I'm going to start off with hunting. Every day I hunt in a pair of 511 tactical shorts. They're nice, they're super tough. One of the only pairs of shorts that I know of that'll withstand the brush over there. It's a lot like West Texas or Arizona, where that brush will just eat you up. So if you're not wearing really strong materials, they're gonna get absolutely destroyed. We do wear a lot of pants. I recommend pants for people who don't want their legs to get scratched up, or if it's a little bit colder. So the same thing goes with that. Canvas, Cordura, 511 tactical, and Canis makes a good pair of safari pants, so invest in some good pants or else they're going to get ripped up. Next thing I want to go into is nice pair of casual shoes. These are the La Sportiva Trail Runners. Just nice to wear around camp, very nice for kind of just lounging around, travel. You don't want to be wearing your boots through the airport and everything like that. So good pair of casual shoes is important. I have a light rain jacket. This is just a little Sitka outer shell rain jacket. More than likely it's not going to rain on you, but you never know. It's a nice little thing to pack away, have just in case. I've got duck kit, so toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, whatever you need there. Some vitamins, sunscreen, nothing too important, just bring what you need, medications, things like that. I got a little lightweight jacket here. This is a QU Peloton 200. That's really good for just right in the mornings, whatever, when it's a little bit chilly. Nice to travel in because planes get cold, things like that. QU gloves. Got a couple extra ball caps. Just nice to have in case your hat blows off or something like that off the back of a truck. I'm writing a little bit, so I've got plenty of paper, pens, a couple of notebooks, a little bit of literature to read while I'm there. Just in the downtime, it's nice to sit by the fire, read a nice book. Got my laptop, extra set of clothes that's going to go into my carry-on bag. Just in case my bag never shows up, I've got 2 sets of clothes right off the bat. So if you got to wait a couple days for your luggage to get there, at least you have 2 sets of clothes and not just one. Water bottle. I like to take this little Pelican hard case just to lock up my passport, extra batteries. I keep a thumb drive on it or in there with a copy of my driver's license and a copy of my passport, just in case. You never know. I also carry a paper copy of both, so I have 3 different sets just so you don't have to get stuck over there if you lose something. I've got a couple extra battery packs for my phone, my cameras, whatever you need to charge. Got all my chargers for my laptop, my watch. And I've got this little thing. This is a universal power adapter, so this will fit in most outlets around the world. It's got US, it's got European outlets, it's got Australian outlets. It's really nice to have just in case they don't have American outlets where you're going. I've got a couple of masks because it's 2022 and COVID is still a thing, so you have to wear a mask on the plane. Most places in South Africa, they still wear masks as well, so nice to have a few extra of those. I've got TSA locks to lock up my little lockbox in my bow case. And other than that, nice boots. I'm wearing the Kentrek Safari boot. It's a really rock solid boot. It's a little aggressive for in South Africa, but I like having really nice stiff boots. I'm rocking merino socks, just nice to have, super tough, just all around good socks, help you out a lot. I'm also rocking the Leupold sunglasses. I don't remember which model they are, but they're killer. They're very nice. It's good to have sunglasses because it's super bright, super sunny, that you're not going to see a whole lot of cloudy days over there. So I'm also going to take a little bit of fishing gear, just a little 5-weight, couple of flies, just in case I get to do a cast or two. So yeah, that's all it is for clothes. I'm going to go now into more of the hunting gear and what you need for while you're hunting in Africa. So this is kind of your hunting gear. This is what you need every single day to hunt in South Africa or other African countries as well. But I like to run nice. This is the QU Cordura base camp jacket. It's perfect for Africa hunting. It's super rugged, super tough. It's plenty warm for most situations. I like to run a little merino shirt or merino hoodie under it. Then, of course, your canvas safari style shirts. Nice binos. These are the Vortex Viper 10x42s. Very important to have. You need good glass while you're over there. You're going to be doing a lot of looking through binos. So it's good to have a nice pair. Got the SIG Kilo rangefinder. I'm bow hunting, like I said, so the rangefinder is critical for me. Not everyone needs it. Most of the time your PH will have one, and most of the time you're hunting with a rifle. So if you are hunting with a rifle, most of your shots are going to be less than 100 yards, so you don't need the rangefinder. But if you're going to go with a bow, I definitely recommend one. I've got Allen wrenches, star wrenches for my bow. Got an extra release, extra blades for my Havalon and my Outdoor Edge replaceable blade knives. A little multi-tool. It's all really important for me. Work on the bow. I've got a little bow meta kit here too, with a little bit of serving, D-loop cord, everything you kind of need to maybe have to fix your bow or an arrow over there. So I've got some glue, got some hot melt, stuff like that. Got a little trauma kit just in case. Never know, someone might cut themselves, whatever. We got tourniquet, just major injury stuff. Most of the time your outfitter's going to have plenty of medical supplies, but that's just if something gets really, really bad, I always want to have that with me. Got some earplugs just for sleeping on a plane, sleeping at camp, whatever. Headlamp, a little bit of electrical tape, and extra batteries. I got extra batteries for my rangefinder here. I got extra batteries for the headlamp. Just nice thing to have. You might night hunt a little bit, so headlamp's a good thing to have for tracking, whatever. Next thing is my Norden Outdoors fixed blade knife. It's a sweet little blade, super sharp, super durable, tough. This thing fits perfect right here on the small of my back, so it's on me all the time. This thing never leaves my side. Super great people over there at Norden, and I definitely recommend you check out their little knives. Super sweet. Next thing is boot gaiters. I cannot stress the importance of boot gaiters. The brush over there is crazy, like I said. That's why we wear super tough materials like Cordura, but the boot gaiters keep the brush out of ankle area, out of your boots. It keeps your boot laces from getting all torn up. Short little boot gaiters are super important. So let's move on to the archery equipment for hunt and draft and big stuff. So let's move that way. So now into the bow setup for Africa 2022. This is the RAX33. I did a build video on this guy, so if you want to go check that out, kind of see how we built this bow. But anyways, 78 pounds, super stiff limbs. It's a beast bow. It still can shoot an arrow, 640 grain arrow, 150 grain broadheads. It can shoot all that going 260 FPS plus, which is pretty dang sweet considering how heavy these things are. This is a great bow. It shoots really, really good. I've been shooting it for a couple of weeks now, and even though it's 78 pounds, it's not too bad on the shoulders. Back wall's really hard. It's a good solid bow for Africa. It's more than capable of hunting the biggest stuff, giraffe, buffalo. We're shooting 150 grain kudu point broadheads. They're little single bevel, super sweet broadheads. I have absolute confidence that it's going to shoot really good, even on huge several thousand pound animals like eland, giraffe, and buffalo. On top of this bow here, we're shooting Quattro archery stabilizers. They're made in South Africa, really cool looking. Love those bars. I love the guys over there at Quattro. 7 arrow tight spot quiver. Hopefully you never need 7 arrows, but if you do run into a situation where you need more ammo, I'd rather have it than not. So I'm running 7 arrow quiver. Little bow stand, just keep your bow out of the dirt. It's nice to be able to just set it down when you're stalking or whatever. I like to run my release Stanislawski Perfects in a little Kydex holster. Clips right nice to my belt. It's always right there, super easy to use. Black gold 3-pin slider sight. Love these things. With 3 pins makes it super fast. If you're on a stock, range it. You already know, you already got until, 20, 30, 40, 20, 30, 50, whatever you decide to do. So super quick, super easy. I'm also taking the black gold single pin. It's nice to have. It's just a backup sight. I love using it for 3D and Western hunting, but I'll probably be using the 3-pin for most hunting over there. This is just kind of backup. Taking a dozen arrows. I'm going to be over there for 5 months, so I'll be shooting them all the time. So I got some blunts. Like I said, I got bow medic kit just in case something goes wrong. This bow's sweet. I love this thing. I've only had it a couple weeks, but it shoots really, really good, even at 78 pounds. So that's kind of my Africa bow hunting setup. And let's move on. So love this thing. Looks good. It's a good looking bow. Yeah, what else can I say? The last thing I wanted to kind of talk about is luggage. You never really understand how important your luggage is until you have to travel 16 hours all the way across the world and then have to lug your luggage through a giant airport. So what I've found is best is the brand new QU duffel bags are really, really nice. They come with this little strap, and what this thing helps you with is you loop this around the case of your bow case, rifle case, whatever, wheeled case, and this bag sits right on top. It's really, really easy for going through airports. You only have to roll one thing around, and it's a little heavy, but it's really, really nice. I haven't found anything even close to working as well as this does. It also comes with backpack straps, so if you gotta pick everything up, it's nice, throw it right on. It's got good solid straps, and it's a really, really good bag for traveling through airports, traveling long distances. This is the 5200 size, I believe, and it's perfect size. I'm packing for 5 months in this little thing, so it's got plenty of room, lots of little organizers, pockets, but enough open space to get everything I need packed in there. And the only other bag I'm taking is my Yeti Panga backpack. Super solid, really tough, rough. This is my carry-on bag. It's going to hold all my chargers, the extra set of clothes, laptop, all that kind of stuff. So really good bag, good straps, pretty comfortable. I love this thing. It's fully waterproof, so I don't have to worry about if it's raining or whatever. It's good for fishing trips and stuff like that as well, but that's what I'm going to pack everything in. This is the carry-on, then I'm going to check the QU bag and my bow case, which is right here. This is the Pelican Volt 750. I have an 800 as well, but it's a little bit big for going through the airports. I felt like the 750 is just a little bit better size, so got this, got it all cut out, got the bow, everything in here, broadheads, yeah. So that's how I'm getting through the airport. The QU bag just sits right on top, strap it in, roll it around. It's a great setup. So that's how I'm gonna pack everything, and let's roll into the outro. So that kind of wraps everything up. I'm so excited to go over there this year. I'm going to spend a lot of time over there, and it's going to be a blast. But hopefully that helps you guys out. All you new safari people, please remember, Noom's on Safaris. It's your gateway to Africa. We're doing big things this year. I'm going to be hunting, going to be over there as an appy. It's going to be a blast. So if you guys have any questions, Carter_Culla is my Instagram. Please feel free to PM me, whatever, or comment below, and I'll try to help answer any questions you guys have. Safaris are a freaking awesome experience. I wish everyone could go on one. Just remember, you need to keep it simple. There's not a whole lot that goes into them. You got a good jacket, some shorts, you're going to be just fine. Listen to what your outfitter says. Not every area is the same in Africa, so maybe you need a little more cold weather gear. Maybe you need a little bit different. So this is kind of a generalized, this is South Africa, Zambia, a lot of places this will work for. Just remember, keep it simple. Not a whole lot you need. It's not a sheep hunt, it's not an elk hunt. Limited gear, you can do a lot. So don't overpack, don't overthink things. It's a really cool experience, but hopefully this helps you guys out, and please feel free to subscribe. If there's anything I can help you guys with, please comment below, and thank you for watching.